Welcome to my channel. I am a crafter. Today I am going to show you my huge craft supplies.
I am a passionate crafter since childhood. I love crafting so much. I have my huge craft supplies collection which I purchased across various craft stores. And these are the craft items which are must for artists. Hello everyone, first I'm showing my satin ribbon collection. Satin ribbons come in various sizes, 1 inch wide, half inch wide, and this is the larger one I have. This is the smaller one I have. They also come in various patterns. This is the heart printed ribbon. I dressed this doll with satin ribbon. This is organza ribbon and it's famous for its shining effect. We can make this type of jewelry with this ribbon. This is my beautiful silicone molds collection. They come in various shapes and sizes. I made this beautiful clay earrings with this silicone mold. You can check my channel. And this is my clays collection, air dry clay, fevicryl molded shaped clay. I made this wall flower holder with this air dry clay which I will upload soon. This is my quilling paper collection. They come in various sizes and colors, 5mm, 3mm, 1mm. We can make various projects with quilling paper. I'm showing some of them. These are jhumkas and this is Santa Claus miniature, and these are intricate charm ball earrings made from this paper. This is my glues collection. I use B7000 regularly in lot of my craft projects because it is the strongest glue to connect the things fastly. This is rose dust mica powder. It's perfect for finishing touch. And this is the paper value pack I recently purchased. We get all types of papers in this one pack. These are perfect for making greeting cards. And this is my pattern paper collection. I have a huge collection of this pattern paper. These are perfect for making greeting cards, photo frames, and they come in various sizes, 12 inch wide, 6 inch wide, 8 inch wide. Some packs include these type of embellishments and this type of alphabets in the front. This is the smallest pattern paper pack that I have first purchased. These are corrugated paper strips I have purchased from local store. These are more similar to quilling. I like these strips so much because of their texture. I'm super excited to make projects with this. And this is the recent project that I made with this corrugated paper. This is my handmade paper collection. They come in various sizes and colors. These are perfect for making textured backgrounds. And this is my glitter foam sheet collection. Actually I used a lot of them, so I have only few papers. Then I am showing my A4 colored papers. They come in various colors and sizes. They are perfect for making greeting cards, origami. I am showing some crafts made with these papers. This is made with foam sheet. This is 3D paper portrait and this is shadow box. This is my acrylic paints collection. They come in various colors. I have pastel acrylic colors, sunflower cake. I regularly use in lot of my craft projects, and these are fevicryl 3D outliners for glitter effect, and these are normal 3D outliners. And this is pastel acrylic color box. I like this box so much because of its vibrant colors. Actually I use pastel colors more than normal colors. This is the recent project I made with these pastel colors, and these are my regular paint brushes. This is my glitter pack collection. These are perfect for the final touch. It gives more shining effect. This is the varnish I use to seal my projects. This is high gloss acrylic varnish. These are different types of craft scissors, double side tape and masking tape. And this is my shape punch collection. With this we can punch the exact shape. We can use this on paper, color paper, pattern paper, foam sheet. And this is compass. And these are big size silicone molds. I have alphabets mold and vehicles mold. And this is crackle paste. It is used for creating crackle effect on any surface. These are bases for making silk thread earrings, and this is plier. And this is normal thread used for jewelry making. And these are jump rings. These are must for jewelry making. And I had some pearl beads, seed beads. I also had some color ball chains, gold ball chain and rhinestone chain, which are very essential for jewelry making. And next is my favorite, pista shells. I made a lot of projects with this. See this lovely frame made with pista shells. Isn't it very cute? And also I made this headband with pista shells. And this is chenille yarn which I will use regularly in my projects. And this is my crepe paper collection. And this is my felt paper collection. Crepe paper is so saggy, so we can make beautiful flowers with it. This is cute headband I made with this felt sheet. And these are my pencil collection. These are watercolor pencils and some glitter pens which I regularly use in my painting projects. And this is super light clay which I use to make miniatures. And this is my stencil collection which is must for a crafter. And these are lighters which are used for securing satin ribbon. This is alphabet stencil, and these are some stickers which I purchased recently. This is my tapes collection. This is double side tape, masking tape and double sided foam tape, and this is glue drops. These are my recent online purchases. This is silver foil which is for metallic effect. This is fairy sparkle pattern paper which is perfect for making valentine crafts. This is embellishment pack, and this is decoupage paper. This is transformy sheet which I will use in my upcoming projects. See this phone case. This is the transformy sheet I used. This is silver foil leaf. It is used for metallic effect. This is my washi tape and woolen collection. Washi tapes come in various colors. This can be used in various type of projects. I will upload a video on this washi tapes. I made these projects with woolen. See how cute they are. See these syrup bottles. I wrapped this entirely with washi tape. See how cute they are. Not only this, you can wrap anything with washi tape for beautiful look. Hope you all guys enjoyed my craft collection. This is part 1 and part 2 is coming soon. Wait for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Stay connected to my channel for more interesting videos with these supplies.